Drawing true filled circle on an image. I have an image which I define like the following. M equals np.zeros 474,474. I would like to draw true filled circles and not polygonal approximations of circles on this image at different coordinates, a center and of a fixed radius. For example, I want to draw two circles with centers, 100,200 and 150,372, with radius 2 pixels. What I am expecting is that after plotting the circles, the entries of the original image M should change to all ones where the circle is present. I tried OpenCV.circle module as well as skimage.draw.circle module, but they generate some polynomial approximation of circle. I was also trying the following in matplotlib, but I don't seem to understand how to plot it on my image M. Any help would be appreciated.
When drawing a circle in OpenCV, there are several parameters that can be chosen. One of them is used to define the type of the circle boundary. You have 4 types. Filled, 4 connected line, 8 connected line, anti-aliased line. You can see the different effect on the following image, in same order. An example code, in C++.
Draw circles in the M.